Got me falling right back.
Hey guys, welcome back to another Map Hack 2 video. So today is going to be a different kind of video. I love technology, but I also love special effects. And I've decided to start making special effects videos of my own. So something that you might start to notice in this channel is that I'm really going to be focusing on using softwares like After Effects and Premiere Pro to make some really cool videos. So today I'm going to show you guys a really cool video I made. I actually used this lightsaber to make it. It was basically a video of me swinging my lightsaber around, and then I went into After Effects, added a couple of cool effects, and I made it look like I was holding a real lightsaber. Check it out. So as you can see, yeah, pretty cool, I know. If you guys want to know how to do that, make sure you leave a like on this video and subscribe. And in around 1 week's time, I should post a tutorial showing exactly how I did it. See you guys.